Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. According to the Center for Disease Control, what condition is the main reason that children miss school and adults miss work? Is it A. Cancer, B. Chronic fatigue, C. The common cold, or D. Insomnia? The answer is C. The common cold.
The common cold, a viral infection with over 200 strains, is the top culprit for missed school and work days. Despite its mild nature, it spreads rapidly through sneezes and coughs. Interestingly, children catch colds more frequently than adults due to their developing immune systems and close contact in schools.
Question 2. What is kymatology the study of? Is it A. Mental processes in living creatures, B. Waves or wave motions, C. Weather, or D. Tibet? The answer is B. Waves or wave motions.
Kymatology, the study of waves or wave motions, delves into phenomena that range from oceanic tides to sound waves. The term originates from the Greek word kyma, meaning wave. This field not only explores natural occurrences but also inspires art and architecture, as seen in structures mimicking fluid dynamics.
Question 3. Which of these plants is carnivorous? Is it A. Cabbage, B. Venus flytrap, C. Nightshade, or D. Alder? The answer is B. Venus flytrap.
The Venus flytrap, native to the subtropical wetlands of the Carolinas, has a jaw-like mechanism that snaps shut in less than a second when its sensitive hairs are triggered. This plant digests insects and arachnids to supplement nutrients lacking in its soil, making it one of nature's most fascinating predators.
Question 4. Who wrote A Brief History of Time? Is it A. Matt Ridley, B. John Emsley, C. Richard Dawkins, or D. Stephen Hawking? The answer is D. Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawking's A Brief History of Time became a surprise bestseller, selling over 25 million copies worldwide. Despite its complex subject matter, the book captivated readers with its exploration of cosmology and black holes. Interestingly, it spent more than 4 years on the London Sunday Times bestseller list, a record for any science book.
Question 5. What is the name given to Earth's outer layer of surface soil? Is it A. Dirtosphere, B. Dentosphere, C. Lithosphere, or D. Troposphere? The answer is C. Lithosphere.
The lithosphere, Earth's outermost shell, is a dynamic layer that includes the crust and the upper mantle. It's responsible for tectonic activities like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. This rigid layer floats on the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath it, allowing continents to drift, a process that has shaped our planet's geography over millions of years.
Question 6. What is semiology the study of? Is it A. is concerned with Earth materials that can be utilized for economic and/or industrial purposes, B. the practice of escaping from restraints or other traps, C. a branch of logic focusing on part-whole relationships, or D. Signs? The answer is D. Signs.
Semiology, the study of signs, delves into how meaning is constructed and understood through symbols. Coined by Swiss linguist Ferdinand de Saussure, it explores everything from traffic lights to emojis. This field reveals that our world is a complex web of signifiers and signifieds, shaping communication in fascinating ways.
Question 7. Coal is composed of which element? Is it A. Carbon, B. Hydrogen, C. Oxygen, or D. Gold? The answer is A. Carbon.
Coal, primarily composed of carbon, is a fascinating remnant of ancient plant life. Over millions of years, heat and pressure transformed these prehistoric plants into coal. This process not only created a vital energy source but also locked away stories from Earth's lush past, making each lump a tiny time capsule.
Question 8. Which of these medicines is often used to treat attention deficit hyperactivity disorder? Is it A. Ritalin, B. Zoloft, C. Prozac, or D. amoxicillin? The answer is A. Ritalin.
Ritalin, a popular treatment for ADHD, was first synthesized in 1944 by chemist Leandro Panizin. Interestingly, he named it after his wife, Marguerite, nicknamed Rita, who reportedly used the drug to enhance her tennis performance. Today, Ritalin is known for its ability to improve focus and attention in individuals with ADHD.
Question 9. What is enology the study of? Is it A. Wine and winemaking, B. Whales, dolphins, and porpoises, C. Gross and disgusting things, or D. Tibet? The answer is A. Wine and winemaking.
Enology, the study of wine and winemaking, delves into the fascinating world where science meets art. This discipline not only explores grape cultivation and fermentation but also uncovers how factors like soil composition and climate influence a wine's flavor profile. Enologists are essentially detectives unraveling the mysteries behind each bottle's unique character.
Thanks for orbiting around our science and nature quiz. We hope your curiosity was piqued, not just a theory. Until next time, stay naturally curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts and our network at classicstudios.com.